Good morning, students. We are learning lesson number 5, the 100 dresses, part 1, means lesson number 5. And as we have discussed that bullying is not at all acceptable, it is not good at all, and this lesson is set on this theme only, that bullying can even spoil a person's career. You must have read in some newspapers or watched the news that bullying is not at all good for anyone. So this is on this theme. The main character of this story is Wanda Petronsky, who is Polish from origin, मतलब पोलैंड की रहने वाली है वो, and it addresses that importance of respect for others by presenting the lessons learned by the characters in the story. First of all, the characters lack of respect for others, then they begin to show the respect for others. The issue of racism and classes is also highlighted, is also developed, is also discussed in this lesson. Means it is a burning issue, not only in India, all over the world, in America, the countries of South Africa. The racial discrimination is prevailing all over the world, especially black and whites. We all are aware of that. But look children, if any child comes to your class who is rural from background, whose background is rural, so it is not good, or of economic status, it is not good to behave, to change our behavior according to his or her economic or social status. Okay, so the character of this story, main character of the story is Wanda Petronsky, and her seat is in the last row and last bench of the class. And as there was a shuffling of shoes there. Let's continue. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. On the contrary, she was very quiet and rarely said anything at all. Anybody had ever heard her laugh out loud? Sometimes she twisted her mouth into a crooked sort of smile, but that was all. Nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat in that seat, unless it was because she came all the way from Bogins Heights. It is the name of locality, and her feet were usually caked with dry mud. But no one really thought much about Wanda Petronsky once she sat in the corner of the room. अब क्या होता था क्लास में? That once she entered the class, she sat at her only seat, permanent seat. She remained quiet and rarely said anything. बहुत चुप रहती थी. And sometimes she twisted her mouth in a way that appeared to us that she was smiling, otherwise she was quiet every time. And nobody knew why she was sitting at that corner of the class. So, actually, she was coming from the region Bogins Heights. As I told you, this is a region of some low status locality, or which was not a high class society area. And just imagine that when she entered, even her feet were kept with dry mud. उसके पैरों पर completely they were covered with mud, dry mud, मतलब मिट्टी में सने हुए रहते थे उसके पाँव भी. So write these word meanings. Enduring possessions, means things kept. Then enduring, enduring is lasting long. Rough means, first of all, ethnicity. I explained you yesterday. Ethnicity is relating to human race. वो चीज ह्यूमन रेस से हर एक से रिलेट करती है. Discriminated, means differentiated, भेदभाव करना. Differentiated. Okay. Now, scuffling the feet. It is the phrase scuffling the feet. It means rubbing of shoes, to make noise. Okay, so it is one more, write one more word, through the sort of smile. Of smile. It means awkward, or you can say foolish smile. Foolish smile. Okay. So the next paragraph, the time when they thought about Vanda was outside of school hours. At noon time, when they were coming back to the school, or in the morning, early before school began, when groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. Then sometimes they waited for Vanda to have fun with her. The next day, Tuesday, Vanda was not in the school either. And nobody noticed her absence again. Just think that the time when they thought about Vanda was outside of the school hours. Actually, बच्चों ने स्कूल आवर्स के बाद सोचा, क्लास में तो उन्होंने सोचा ही नहीं, स्कूल आवर्स के बाद सोचा कि ये कैसे, या वेंडा की एब्सेंस उनको बाद में नोटिस हुई. ओके. When they were going back to their homes, means they were going away from the school at 12 time, at noon time when they were going back to school or in the morning before the school began. तो वो लोग क्लास में तो नोटिस नहीं किया उन्होंने, लेकिन जब वो घर जा रहे थे तब उन्होंने ध्यान दिया कि अरे वेंडा तो आई नहीं. एक्चुअली दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन कमिंग टू द स्कूल and going from the school. It was the time that they could have, means in groups of 2 or 3, children could have fun or could talk among each other. Okay. So at that time they missed her presence. They observed her absence. They waited for her and wanted to have fun with her. Actually they were making her a target to laugh. Are you getting my point? ये लोग सब मिलकर, बाकी के सब क्लासमेट्स मिलकर अलग अलग ग्रुप में उसको टारगेट किया करते थे. बट नेक्स्ट ट्यूसडे ऑल्सो, मंडे को तो नहीं आई, ट्यूसडे ऑल्सो शी डिड नॉट कम टू द स्कूल एंड दैट डे ऑल्सो नो वन नोटिस्ड हर एब्सेंस. किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया कि आज वो नहीं आई. ओके. बट ऑन वेडनेसडे Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who didn't track in the whole lot of mud, did notice that Wanda wasn't there. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty, she had many pretty clothes and her hair was curly. Maddie was her closest friend. The reason Peggy and Maddie noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. They had waited for Wanda to have some fun with her and she just hadn't come. They often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. Okay. But Tuesday also passed, Monday passed, Tuesday passed, but it was till Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie. Actually, these two girls were among the students of the class who used to get good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud, और वो कभी उनके पैर मिट्टी में नहीं होते थे बिकॉज दे वर कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एरिया, पॉश एरिया. तो दैट डे दे नोटिस्ड Wanda's absence. They found that Wanda did not come. Peggy was the most popular girl. She was pretty. She had many pretty clothes and her hair was curly. Means she was a figure to be appreciated. Therefore, she was very popular. Actually, she was good at studies. She was good in looking, and she had very many pretty dresses also and curly hair. All these things made her a pretty girl. And these Maddie and Peggy were close friends. अब समझ में आ रहा है, ये दोनों Maddie and Peggy close friends हैं. Then they noticed Wanda's absence because actually they used to call her on the way and they waited for her. They waited for Wanda, and when she did not come, they got late to the school. They waited for Wanda also because they wanted to have fun with her. They knew that she did not speak much, but still they wanted to have, both Peggy and Maddie wanted to have fun with her. Okay. So try to find the questions, 4 questions given here. Okay. We shall continue with the rest part of the lesson from tomorrow also.